You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to another episode where we bring you insights and expertise on making your international move stress-free and seamless. If you're leaving LA or San Francisco and gearing up for an overseas relocation, look no further than SDC International Shipping, the trusted name in global moving services. Today, I'm going to explain why we are your ideal partner for a smooth transition to your new home. At SDC International Shipping, we pride ourselves on delivering top-notch service tailored to your moving needs. Here's why choosing us ensures a hassle-free experience. 1. Unmatched expertise. We bring years of industry experience, establishing ourselves as leaders in international household moving. Our highly trained professionals are equipped with the latest technology to handle every aspect of your move with precision and care. 2. Easy tracking. We understand the importance of transparency during your move. Our advanced tracking software allows you to monitor the process of your belongings independently, providing peace of mind throughout the journey. 3. Comprehensive services. Whether you prefer air or sea or require bulk shipping, we've got you covered. Our comprehensive moving services include custom clearance, ensuring a seamless transition to your new destination. 4. Professional packing. Packing can be daunting, but not with us. Our expert packing services use high-quality materials to ensure the safety of your items. We even offer custom-made packing solutions for fragile and valuable goods, including antiques. 5. Hassle-free vehicle shipping. With our roll-on, roll-off shipping services, your vehicles are in safe hands. From cars to yachts, we ensure your vehicles arrive at their destination without a scratch, preserving their sentimental value. And 6. Secure storage facility. Do you need temporary storage? Our state-of-the-art facility offers climate control, 24/7 monitoring, and custom-sized units for your specific storage needs. Rest assured, your belongings are safe with us. When you choose SDC International Shipping, you choose reliability, professionalism, and a commitment to excellence. Located in LA, our loyal service, extensive experience, and full license ensure your satisfaction from start to finish. So contact us today to request a free quote. Thanks for tuning into our episode. For more expert tips and insights, subscribe to our podcast or visit our website. Until next time, happy moving.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.